In this video, we're going to learn how to create this eye-catchy gradient slide with 5 images, all in under 2 minutes. Let's get started. First, let's create a smooth-looking gradient background. Right-click on the empty slide and select Format Background. Then, click on Gradient Fill. Now, choose a light blue color for the first gradient stop and a dark blue color for the last one. You'll instantly get this nice, clean gradient effect. You can also adjust the gradient direction here. I like this one, so I'll keep it as it is. Next, let's start inserting the images. Go to the Insert tab, click on Pictures, and select this device to pick an image from your device. Once your image is added, go to the Crop option under the Picture Format tab. Click Crop to Shape and select the rounded rectangle shape. Now, make the corners fully rounded like this. With the image still selected, click on Crop again to adjust the framing the way you want. Resize and position it neatly on the slide. It gives a neat and modern look. Now press Ctrl+D to duplicate the image and arrange the copies evenly across the slide like this. Next, right-click on this image, choose Change Picture, and replace it with the next image you want to use. You can use the Crop tool again to reposition it properly. Repeat these steps for the remaining images until everything looks well aligned and balanced. I'm giving away this slide for free, and in return, I'd really appreciate it if you could give this video a like and subscribe to this channel. Finally, add your text boxes. Add minimal content in the text boxes so that the slide will look nice and professional. Switch to slideshow mode to see your slide in full view. It's clean, simple, and visually appealing. If you'd like to explore more eye-catching PowerPoint slide designs, check out these videos next. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye. Signing off, the Slide Master.